your shitty car, windows down, music loud. Promise me we'll stay like this. Talking about our kids someday.